Good morning. In this video, I'm going to explain problems on Mealy and Murray model. So, in the previous videos, I have explained the analysis procedure of Mealy and Murray model. Right? So, it starts from uh, logic diagram and ends with the state diagram. So, now we'll see one example which is appeared in the exam. Construct the excitation table, transition table, state table, and state diagram for the Murray sequential circuit shown below. So this is the Murray sequential circuit. Why it is called Murray? See, output depends on only present state. Only present state. Sometimes they will not give what is the circuit. So they will ask what is this circuit, whether it is Mealy or Murray. So as you know, the first step is to write the excitation and output expression. For that, we need to assign excitation and state variables. Excitation and state variable. But here it is need not to assign because in the question itself it is given. See, for the first flip flop it is A and A bar, B and B bar, and excitation see JA, KA, JB, KB. So need not to worry about assigning excitation and state variables. So directly we go to write excitation and output expressions. See, excitation means expression for JA. See, analyze JA. It is a line drawn from B. So JA is equal to B, and KA output of AND gate. So input of the AND gate is again it is B. One input is B. Another input is output of NOT gate. Input of the NOT gate is X. So X bar B is the expression for KA. And see JB, it is output of NOT gate. So JB expression is X bar. And KB expression output of XOR gate. So input to the XOR gate, one input is drawn from A and another input is X. So JB is equal to X bar and KB is equal to X exclusive or A. And see output Y. Okay, it is a output of XOR gate. Input of the XOR gate is A and B. So Y is equal to A exclusive or B. So this is the excitation and output equations. First step. Okay. Next step, construct excitation table. They not ask you to write transition equation. Sometimes they will ask you to write transition equation. As I said, transition to obtain the transition table, we have two ways. One, construct excitation table. Another way, transition table. Okay. So let's practice how to write transition equation. So here, since JK flip flop, no, you need to consider a characteristic equation of JK flip flop, that is JQ bar K bar Q. And here for first flip flop, A is the state variable. So A represent present state, A plus represent next state. So A plus is equal to JA, Q means A bar, KA and A. Okay. So here Q represent present state, Q plus represent next state. So here Q plus means A plus, Q means A. Okay. J means JA, K means KA. And substitute JA, K in this expression. So it becomes J is equal to B into A bar, K is equal to X bar B whole bar into A. Again apply De Morgan law to this. It becomes X double bar means X plus B. X plus B. And multiply from A. So it becomes, this can be written as A bar B plus X A into B bar. Similarly, for second expression, second flip flop, B is the present state, B plus is the next state. So B plus is equal to JB B bar plus KB B. Again, so by combining first and last two term, it can be written as A exclusive B plus XA. And for B plus JB B bar KB bar B. Substitute JB is equal to X bar and KB is equal to X bar. becomes X bar. Clear na? Again X star means X bar A bar X A, because A X nor B is A bar B bar plus A B. Then multiply from the B. Multiply from the B. Okay, multiply from the B. So this is the expressions transition equation. Correct? But it is not asked. So it is asked to write excitation table. So from the excitation table we can construct transition table. Now we'll see excitation table. As you know, excitation table consists of present state excitations. Here excitations is JA, KA, JB, KB. Okay, when x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. And here I have included next state also. So this table is together called excitation and transition table. Excitation and transition table. So transition table means next state section. So here A plus B plus, when x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, and output only one column because output depends on only present state. Okay. Why I have combined here? Since both present state and output is same. So only excitation and next state are changed. Clear na? So let's see. First we'll complete excitation section. Correct? So we'll write JA. See, JA is equal to B irrespective of input X and another present state A. So JA is equal to B. Yes, B is 0 1 0 1, here is 0 1 0 1, here is 0 1 0 1. Okay. And JA KA. KA means, see, oh, when X is equal to 0, X bar is 1. That means B. That means B. So K is B. So it is same as B. So 0 1 0 1. When x is equal to 1, it becomes 0. It becomes 0. K is all 0. K is all 0. Clear na? Similarly, JB is x bar irrespective of state variables A. So here x is 0. So x bar is 1. JB is 1. And here it is 1 and here it is 0. Clear na? JB is x bar. And KB is x exclusive or A. So when x is equal to 0, when x is equal to 0, so 0 exclusive with anything, the same thing will be obtained. So 0 exclusive with A, it is A. So when x is equal to 0, it is A. Same as A. 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1. And when x is equal to 1, it is A bar. So 1 exclusive with anything is complement. So A bar. So here it is A is 0 0 1 1. Its complement is 1 1 0 0. Clear now? So excitation table is completed. Excitation table is completed. So from the excitation table, we write next state section. We write next state section. So let's consider, we'll write A plus. We'll write A plus. For that, we need to consider the value of JA, K, and present state is A. Present state is A. See, first combination. Both 0 0 0 0 means same as present state. Here present state is 0, so next state is also 0. And see next combination 1 1. 1 1 means toggle. Toggle means complement of present state. Here A is 0, A plus is 1. And next is 0 0, so same as present state. So here it is 1, here also it is 1. And next it is 1 1, toggle. Toggle. So here it is 1, here it is 0. Okay. And next when x is equal to 1, to write A plus when x is equal to 1, consider JA, KA when x is equal to 1 and present state is A. So again, when 0 0 same as present state. Here also 0, here also 0. When it is 1 0, irrespective of the present state, it is set. So 1. Again here 0 0 same as present state. Here present state is 1, next state is also 1. Again 1 0, so irrespective of the present state, it is set. Clear na? Then consider JB, KB to write B plus when x is equal to 0. Here x is equal to 0 and for that present state is B. Present state is B. So it is 1 0. Irrespective of present state, it enters into set state. Again 1 0, so set. Here it is 1 1. Toggles the present state. Here present state is 0, next state is 1. Again here 1 1, present state is 1, next state is 0. Next you consider when x is equal to 1, JB KB. See first combination 0 1. So since k is equal to 1, reset. Again k is equal to 1, reset. So in next two combination same as present state. So here present state is 0 1. So here also 0 1. This is how we complete next state. Okay, and output. Okay, it depends on A B. A exclusive or B. See 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. So this is the complete table, excitation table and transition table. Next video I am going to explain state table and state diagram. Thank you.